Welcome back, travelers. This is Taylor with the Vacationeer, and today we're stepping inside a standard view room at the newly reimagined Pixar Place Hotel at the Disneyland Resort in California. As the world's very first fully Pixar-themed hotel, these accommodations are a brilliant celebration of artistry and storytelling. They're packed with playful design nods to your favorite films, making them an absolute blast for families and Pixar fans alike. In this video, we're giving you a complete room tour to help you figure out the perfect fit for your family's next West Coast vacation. Now, before we open the doors and check out the spaces, remember that building the ultimate Disneyland package takes a lot of careful coordination. When you book your stay with the Vacationeer, our expert planning services are completely free of charge. From locking in the perfect room view to securing your park tickets, setting up dining packages, and navigating the app, we do all the heavy lifting for you. Reach out to us today to see why Disney recognizes the Vacationeer as a top-tier, diamond earmarked agency, and let our incredible team of expert advisors plan the perfect trip for your family. Now, without further ado, let's jump right in and tour the room. We really enjoyed the theming inside these rooms during our stay. They're highlighted by a vibrant, colorful mural showcasing classic Pixar characters above the headboards, complemented by a real-life replica of the iconic Pixar Luxo Jr. sitting right on the desk. As you first enter the room, on one side is the closet and refreshment station. Inside the closet, you'll find plenty of full-length hanging storage. Down below is additional bedding and blankets, and an in-room steamer with an ironing board. Next to the closet is your refreshment station. This built-in counter houses your Keurig coffee maker with a premium selection of coffees and teas refreshed daily for that essential morning cup of joe. This station also features a hidden mini fridge built right into the cabinetry down below. Directly across is the entry to the bathroom. Inside, you'll find a vanity featuring a large backlit mirror, an adjustable magnifying mirror on the side, and your hairdryer, and plenty of space to tuck things away in open storage down below. These bathrooms also house a large full walk-in shower featuring an adjustable shower wand and premium daily refreshed bath amenities. These room categories come equipped with either a single king bed or two queens. Depending on which one you choose, there are several bedding options, including queen sleeper sofas and day beds. Your Vacationeer advisor can help you select the perfect configuration for your booking. All configurations feature upgraded bedding and linens that add a touch of luxury to your stay. In the bedroom area, we really appreciated the charging in these updated rooms. Set right in between the two beds is a small nightstand with drawers to tuck away smaller personal items, and right on top, you'll have a Bluetooth speaker clock with wireless charging and additional USB ports built right in. There's also lighting controls, 4 US plugs, and 2 additional USB plugs set above the nightstand. But wait, there's more. They built in 2 more US outlets with USB plugs right on the opposite sides of the bed to ensure all of your cameras and devices are charged for your park days. The headboards also have built-in directional reading lights, and the bed frames are raised with ample wide open clearance underneath the beds, allowing you to easily tuck away your bulky luggage or strollers completely out of the way. Directly across from the beds is your main entertainment hub, featuring a large flat panel smart TV. This system is loaded with live TV channels, resort information, and a massive selection of complimentary Disney movies and on-demand content to wind down with at night. Below the screen, you'll have a large desk that houses the in-room safe tucked in one of the drawers, as well as 2 more US plugs, more USB plugs, and like I said, there's a ton of charging real estate in these rooms. Set in the corner is a daybed, and depending on the room configuration, this would be a queen sleeper sofa. However, most rooms come with 2 queens and a daybed. And one small thing I really did like is that the plugs on the desk and the USBs are right next to either the sleeper sofa or the daybed. That makes it nice for anybody using that for a sleeping area. It's also worth noting that many of these rooms offer connecting configurations, ideal for larger families, but you'll definitely want to reach out to your Vacationeer advisor early to secure one, as these connecting options book up incredibly fast. These standard view room categories feature views of the hotel's colorful rooftop pool deck, the front entrance, or the surrounding city and parking areas. It's the perfect option for families looking to enjoy the exact same Pixar-themed room interiors at a slightly lower cost than the premium view. And if you want to see exactly how these rooms stack up to the other properties, we have a complete lineup of individual room tours and full resort guides for the Grand Californian and the Disneyland Hotel right here on the channel that you can check out next. To make the absolute most of your next West Coast getaway, remember to reach out to your favorite Vacationeer advisor or click the booking link down in the description below. We handle every single detail of the planning, from tracking down the perfect Pixar-themed room view and bundling your tickets and setting up those character dining reservations, so you can simply sit back, relax, and soak up the magic completely stress-free. Thank you so much for watching. If these room tours helped you pick the perfect spot for your next California vacation, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and share it with all your Disney friends. Until next time, this is Taylor with the Vacationeer, keeping your coffee hot and your travel plans even hotter.